All right, so we're back out at Paul's house, and as you can tell, we've replaced the sewer line because that tree had just tore up that sewer line that was existing already. That's going to happen to that cast iron pipe that's in a lot of the homes that are a little bit older. So we put in good PVC, so it should last a long time, and it should be a good house for rent. So, but as you can tell, we've done pretty well as far as clearing it up, making it look pretty. Got a big trailer here with a lot of trash that we've kept in the garage for a while, so now we're just going to haul it off. So let's go take a look at this thing. And you know, I think we've been on this thing 3 weeks now. A little slower than we'd like because of the sewer line. You know, if we didn't have the sewer line, it would have been a lot faster of a project. So anyhow, let's take a look. So they ripped up all the concrete line to put in a sewer line, and we've gone in with vinyl plank flooring, which is great for rental homes because it'll last a long time. We've gone in with a gray paint with a semi-gloss white trim. It really makes that pop a little bit. And flat white ceilings. We put new smoke detectors in. We just really want the place to feel new. I mean, this is obviously not a brand new home, but we want it to feel new. New light fixtures, new switches, new plugs. Still got a little work to do in here, but it's definitely better than what it was. Here we go with the bathroom. We have a lot of the breakers down to open lines, but I'm gonna throw a new tub, shower surround in there, new lavatory, toilet. Really gonna make it look nice. Something interesting, a lot of people may not have ever seen a Chrysler HVAC system, but now you have. The sucker's old. Looks like we're gonna have to replace it. Unfortunately, you gotta do that sometimes. It would be nice when we could fixed it, but it's beyond fixing. Still have that electric panel that we need to take care of, but that'll happen pretty soon. Hopefully, should have this week. This is a Monday. Now we have showers to replace. Yeah, so that's where we're at. It's coming along.